Here in the Pantanal wetlands of Brazil, even feared predators can't relax for long. Spotting its prey from the riverbank, this jaguar silently swims towards a caiman basking in the sun. Exploding from the river with ferocious speed, the jaguar ambushes the 8-foot reptile before it has time to react. In a clinical kill, the cat sinks its teeth and claws into the back of the unsuspecting crocodilian before whisking it away with astonishing ease. It seems nowhere is safe while this beast is on the prowl.